Okay, we're on to question 3. What is intelligent business automation? Have you just made that up, Jamie? Is that a phrase that no one's ever heard of before? Well, not quite. There is a technology that's called intelligent automation. Yes, very confusing because the acronym for that is IA, not AI. God, don't the technical people love to use these acronyms? So intelligent business automation is where you connect the hands that we talked about in question number 2 with the brain that we talked about in question number 1. All of a sudden, you now have something that's a little human-like because we can pick something up, we can pick up a pad of paper, we can read what's on it, and then we can take action on it. We can do something with that. I can now type that into my CRM or into my database. So that's, in a sense, is what intelligent business automation is. It's the connection between the brain and the hands, the ability to take data from somewhere, make sense of it, understand what to do with it, and then maybe push it somewhere else. So what does that mean in the context of your business? Well, this is where it gets really powerful. This is where you can speed things up, be more efficient, get rid of bottlenecks, cut costs, all these kind of things, because essentially that's what people are doing. We are intelligent business automations. We look at something, we understand, and then we process it. So that could be, let's use invoices as an example. Someone gets an invoice, they look at it, they understand the context of that invoice, they take the data and they start to read the invoice and type it in, that's the hands, type it into the system. So when we start to use AI and automation, the same thing happens. The automation goes into your inbox, picks up the invoice, and then shows it to the AI. The AI is a big brain, so it looks at the invoice, says, okay, here's the supplier, here's the amount, here's the VAT, blah, blah, blah. The hands then open up Xero, for example, or SAP, and then it uses what it's seen in the document and types it in. And I'm being metaphorical here, but in some cases it literally types it into the screen, but it types the data into the screen. So it's hands, brain, hands. But that's what intelligent business automation is, or IA, intelligent automation. Now, just a quick note here in terms of words and acronyms and names. These things are being thrown out all over the place. Everything's AI, everything's automation, everything's intelligent automation. I wouldn't get too hung up on the words. Ultimately, what you as a business owner, business leader, member of a board are trying to do is make your company more efficient. You're trying to potentially save money. You're trying to do things more quickly. You're trying to squeeze out those bottlenecks. This is where you do it, in intelligent business automation. So thank you very much. Hopefully it's all a little clearer now.